The next three poetry elements that we are going to go over are simile, stanza, and theme. So we already know a simile is when we compare two things using like or as. Our example is, she was as pale as a lump of sugar. Never heard that simile before, but okay. Stanza, it is a division in a poem named for the number of lines it contained. It is a paragraph in a poem. So here we have stanza number 1. Be not the first by whom the new are tired, nor yet the last lay the old aside. I know the wording in that is very old. Doesn't really make sense, but that is how they used to speak back in like the 1800s ish, right? And our second stanza is, be now the first true merit to befriend. His face is lost, his praise is lost, who stays till all command. So again, a stanza is a paragraph in a poem. And then we have the theme. Usually we talk about the theme as the lesson learned. Same here. It is the message about life in the poem. For example, the poor man dressed in nice riches. So our lesson here is appearances can be deceiving. On the next slide, you are going to give me an example of a simile, a stanza, or the definition of a stanza, and an example of a common theme.